Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. Back at international, global, galactic headquarters. And I want to show you something. See these buses in the background? Those are called chicken buses. Now, what does a chicken bus do? A chicken bus picks up people and drives them from like point A to point B. Man, is it loud. But that's a chicken bus. And they are all over, maybe they're all over Central America. I have no idea. But look at all the chicken buses. Like people going to work. That's a chicken bus. And at like 4 o'clock in the morning, you hear the sound of the chicken bus. It's crazy. But anyhow, the sights and sounds of Guatemala. I just wanted to show you the chicken bus, and actually I actually want to show my grandkids when I get home. And obviously I don't know what those buses are called in Spanish, but like the English translation is like a chicken bus. Like they all like get squished in like a bunch of chickens. So anyhow, that's the video. Go take a ride on a chicken bus and tell me how that works out. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And adios. Bye-bye.